Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of the left and right earbuds are different. And the first one what you should do is to check if you have the last software version. So open the application, scroll down and click at the update. Now checking for update and it said that I have the last version. If you haven't, just install a new one. Next one what we can do, if it didn't help you, we should perform a hard reset. So put your earbuds to the charging case and after that press and hold this connection button until this LED light starts flashing red. Here we go. Now you can release your finger and firstly we should remove it. So click the information icon or settings icon, forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device. And after a hard reset, these earbuds enter to prank mode automatically, so just tap on it at this device list, and we did it. If the hard reset didn't help you, the last one, what I can recommend it to you, is to fully charge your earbuds. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.